Our top story: has Manmohan Singh's tirade against Narendra Modi shifted the focus back from the changing politics of Aam Aadmi to the BJP? Well, so it appears, and the BJP is in no mood at the moment to let go of the opportunity. All eyes will be on Narendra Modi today as he addresses a function in the national capital. Will he decide to hit back at the Prime Minister's scathing remark to get even?
Without discussing the merits of Mr. Narendra Modi, I sincerely believe that it would be disastrous for the country to have Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister's stinging attack on Narendra Modi. His parting shot at BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate. But all eyes will be today on Narendra Modi as he addresses Baba Ramdev's function in the national capital. So, will Modi today take the war of words to the next level? Already, the BJP has given enough hints that it is in no mood to let Manmohan Singh go off the hook over his comments on BJP star leader.
Congress is being squeezed out of the contest. It's losing its space in the government, it's losing its space in the opposition. नरेंद्र मोदी से कैसे डील करना है इसका उत्तर अभी तक उनको समझ नहीं आ पा रहा. कभी किसी पुलिस ऑफिसर का बयान करवा दो, किसी अधिकारी का करा दो, किसी कोर्ट के प्रोसेस में चले जाओ.
The Prime Minister's frontal attack against Modi has shifted the political focus back a bit from Aam Aadmi Party's electoral success. And it's once again Modi-fied BJP versus the rest.
प्रधानमंत्री बनना डिसास्ट्रस होगा. मोदी जी की जो भूमिका है उस पर सभ्य समाज के लोगों ने सवाल उठाए
कि इस बार 15 अगस्त के दिन नरेंद्र भाई लाल किला से झंडा फहराएंगे.
Manmohan Singh's press conference on Friday, probably his last as Prime Minister, was Modi-centric. Manmohan Singh questioned his credentials for the top job and tried to shift focus from the government's failures.
If by strong Prime Minister you mean that you preside over the mass massacre of innocent citizens in the streets of Ahmedabad, that is the measure of strength. I do not believe that sort of strength this country needs, least of all in its Prime Minister. Without discussing the merits of Mr. Narendra Modi, I sincerely believe that it would be disastrous for the country to have Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister.
If Congress's game plan is to pitch the 2014 polls as a contest between secular and communal parties, then the BJP's focus will be to take on the UPA over issues of corruption and policy paralysis. But right now, the BJP is secretly happy with the Prime Minister's unprecedented attack on its mascot, as it has brought Narendra Modi back in the spotlight.